Today's Professionals brought to you by The Basement Doctor.
Hi everybody, we're back on location with John Clements, the Basement Doctor. John, I'm not going to lie. When you called and you said, hey, we are going on location,
That's right.
I was excited about it. And it's been a real eye-opening experience. Today I'm getting a little bit of deja vu.
Okay.
And this basement reminds me a little bit
Of a certain basement, maybe?
a few years ago that we worked together on to improve. But what you're going to do here is going to be a vast improvement.
Yes.
And so talk to me about what this room is going to shape up to be.
Well, in this room, it's not going to be super fancy.
Okay.
But it is going to be a very nice, clean, dry, usable space.
Okay.
We're going to turn it into the laundry room.
Okay.
So we're moving the washer and dryer from the other side over to here. But in order to do that, there's some things that need addressed first, obviously. As you can see behind us, the wall looks pretty nasty.
Yeah, it does.
You've got some cracking and some flaking in concrete that needs to be addressed. You have some molds growing on it. But you
Right.
also have this plumbing line down here that is so rotted and deteriorated over the years of water that I could literally poke my finger right through that steel
And is
pipe.
this currently in use?
This is the kitchen sink.
Oh my.
So we're going to have this floor opened up. We're going to have
Okay.
a plumber come in, and he's going to set new drains in the floor for the washer and dryer. He's going to set down a drain for the set tubs, and possibly even, we're still considering this, a little dog wash station because they do have
that's
pets
nice.
upstairs.
Sure.
And we'll be able to keep all the laundry here. The laundry chute's right up above our head here, and that way everything will be in this area and kind of contain it to one local spot. Put in a new window with the dryer vent going out the window,
Okay.
and it'll be all finished.
It is definitely going to be a transformation like we have never seen before. So we're glad you all could be here. We're looking forward to it, John. Thanks
you.
so much. Have a great day, everyone. We'll see you next time.